YouTube family. We blessed, man. Happy Thanksgiving to you all, man. I truly appreciate y'all pulling up on your boy on this blessed day that we have, bro. This is year number 2. This is the second Thanksgiving that the fam has come together, man. Hey, we still rocking out solid over here, man. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. Hey, hit that like button for your boy if you new, if you were OG, if this is your first time pulling up, you blessed, man. Hey, we grateful, we thankful over here, man. But hey, hit that like button for your boy, man. Today your boy is coming at y'all with a unboxing, man. I ain't want to do nothing too crazy, nothing too big or nothing, you know, but it's an unboxing, a shoe that I had it for a couple days now, but your boy has been busy working. But I said, hey, what better time to do it than on Thanksgiving? I'm really supposed to be chilling, but hey, gotta bring some stuff to the fam, man. So I know y'all chilling out, y'all probably eating good, watching y'all some football, kicking it with the fam, or maybe not kicking it with the fam because of what's going on in the world, man. But hey, we gonna still kick it off on some positive vibes, man, because like I said, we ain't gonna let nothing stop us over here. But yeah, man, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, welcome back. And welcome to all the newcomers, man. Hey, go ahead and join the family that we have, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 50K and we are knocking at the door of 40K, man. So it's truly amazing, truly a blessing, man. I thank y'all. Like I said, man, I gotta say this about 8, 9, 10 times throughout the video to let y'all know I really do appreciate y'all, man. So hey, keep rocking out with your boy, keep leaving that feedback down there in the comment box. Hey, and today y'all ain't even gonna guess what your boy got, man, because this shoe hasn't even released in the US, man. But drop them comments, let me know. Hey, nobody's gonna get it, I already know it. If y'all tell me that y'all guessed it, you capping. But anyways, man, we gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing and see what your boy done picked up. Ooh, bang, yes, man. Once again, boxes are good, man. Yo, man, hey, I ain't gonna delay it. I'm gonna try to find my box cutter. We're gonna cut it open. These shoes right here, man, I'm so curious to see how they look, because this is one of those type of shoes that the material on each pair is different. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's one of those type of shoes. You still probably won't be able to guess it, but it's one of those type of shoes. So I'm curious to see which material they gave me on my pair, because it could either be a good thing or it could be a bad thing, man. So we just gonna have to pop it open and see. Like, it's one of them things that you go into blindly, because and every time you buy a shoe off of GOAT, StockX, or whatever, you always going into it blindly, because you never know what you get, because they're allowed to sell you shoes with factory defects and stuff. So that's just the risk that you take with buying from these, you know, apps and stuff, man. But we gotta have our shoes, man. So opening up the box, we do have, we have the brown paper. I'm just trying to build up some hype, man. Hey, it's Thanksgiving, man. Well, it depends on when you're watching this video, but just trying to build up a little bit of hype, man. But taking out the brown paper, the GOAT paper, you know what I'm saying? Let's just take out these shoes, bro. Throw that out the way. Bam! We got a black Jordan box. What can it be? Ooh. It says Air Jordan 1 low life. Said I'm repping for the low. Yes, sir, man. It says low SE. The color blocking is white, midnight navy. Keep in mind, I told y'all already, this shoe has not released in the US, and I don't think that it will, man. But got my GOAT UPC and stuff right there, as you can see if it focuses. But yeah, GOAT UPC. I'm building up hype, man. I'm stalling, bruh. Popping open the lid. Do got my GOAT verification card as usual that we supposed to get from GOAT. I don't know why my camera ain't focusing, but y'all get the point, you know what I'm saying? But this is a overseas pickup, so I do have this type of, you know, slip or whatever inside of the box. But anyways, we gonna put that to the back of the box, and y'all ready, man? I'm gonna show y'all at the same time. I'm not even gonna look at it first. Y'all ready for it, bro? We have, okay, I'm gonna pick it up this way. We have the Air Jordan 1. Bang! Washed denim. Bang! Yes, we got the Air Jordan 1 low washed denim. I did not see too many reviews of these on YouTube, man. So I'm not too sure if that many people got them. If y'all forgot about them, y'all slept on them. But you know your boy gotta be, like I said, man, your boy is different from the crowd. So you know I get different things. But these, in my opinion, are very clean. You know what I'm saying? Very clean. You pull these out, you gonna grab eyes. People gonna be like, what are those? When did they come out? When did you get those? Because you're not gonna see these. You're not gonna see these every day, man. But yes, take a look at that. The dark, the light, the A, man. The leather is straight off the back is that regular cheap Air Jordan 1 low leather. It's nothing premium, although this is a premium Air Jordan 1 low to say, but that leather quality is very trash. We're gonna call a spade, but you can see it. It's like that car, it look like it'll rip. It look like I can rip it like some cardboard. But yeah, man, these right here are dope. These are dope, man. Let me know down below in the comment box y'all thoughts on these Air Jordan 1 low washed denims. Let me know what y'all think about them, man. The tongues, you got two different, like I said, because the denim wash, you're gonna have a different type of wash on every shoe. Even the back, you got two different backs on them, which is dope. You got a dark one and you got a light one. So I'm digging that. I like that. I like the mixed, you know, look of both shoes. Very dope in my opinion. But yes, man, this is a dope pickup. Your boy paid, I paid probably double what these shoes. No, actually, I think these retail for like $130, $140, if I'm not mistaken. So I paid a little bit more than that, but hey, I think that they worth it, man. They very dope. They are dope. These will go very good with some New York Yankee attire, you know what I'm saying? Anything that's of that dark navy blue, it'll go dope with it, man. But yeah, man, let me know y'all thoughts on this pickup, man. As I said, man, hopefully y'all are having a good day, chilling out with y'all fams, or doing whatever it is y'all doing on this blessed day, this Thanksgiving that we have been blessed to see. Like I said, although 2020 hasn't been the best year as far as the things that's been going on, we still gotta be thankful because, hey, we still alive and breathing. We can watch videos such as this one, man. But I thank y'all for doing that. I'm gonna leave y'all out with some B-roll of these. I will be hitting y'all with the review and on feet, so stay tuned for that, man. And yeah, man, glad that these are in the collection. Let me know y'all thoughts on these. Let me know y'all thoughts down below in the comment section, as well as I do have a low life video coming. Hey, if you know, you know. But got that Air Jordan 1 low collection video coming. 25 plus Air Jordan 1 lows, but I'm gonna hit y'all with it, man. So y'all stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for your boy. Y'all stay blessed. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, man. We on to the next one, man. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guys checking out with the Air Jordan 1 lows, man. Wash denim. So till my next one, I'm out, man. Peace.
Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Jay the Sneaker Guy, Jay the Sneaker Guy.